In this video, guys, I will show you step by step how to log in Development Bank of Philippines. So guys, go to Google, search for Development Bank of Philippines, login. Click on this first result, write this keyword, the exact keyword, as you can see here. After that, friends, you will see this page. Click on this AAC banking and then click OK. After that, when you click OK, you will see this login page. So guys, after you will see this page, you will see online login. After that, just wait to see login page. From here, write your user ID and then write your password. After that, write on login. If you forget your password, just click forget password, and then you will log in with write your user ID and click submit. After that, guys, click submit, and then you will rest your password. You will rest your password. If you want to log in on app, just go to app. You can download the app on App Store, and then you can log in successfully without any problem. Thanks for watching this video, guys. See you on another video.